What's up? Welcome back to my live stream. Today, in my daily show, we have a lot of good stuff that we're gonna look after. We're gonna talk about meme coins, of course, because that is what is trending right now. And I have new sound effects, so get ready.
You are fake news.
All right? You guys asked it. They're gonna come. We're gonna talk about Trump mania, but not only that. We're gonna go through my top 5. And we're also going to discuss the utility plays today. I don't want to talk solely about memes because there's actually a lot of plays in my portfolio that are pretty much in the green. Is the altcoin season coming back? I posted a tweet actually earlier. The altcoin season might start sooner than you guys think. And this is strongly what I believe right now. There's some plays that are really, really pumping. So I seen AI tech, for instance. I covered it last week, so if you want to see exactly why it's pumping, see the video update that I posted last week because I said it. AI tech is probably gonna break out and start a positive trend because there is massive updates that are coming, such as the big reveal of the data center, the AI GPU marketplace, bunch of other stuff. Check out my video out. Lithium. So many people, so much hate for lithium. I said it. I've always said that it's the Casper's little sister, because they're both relatively fair launch. I mean, even a lithium I consider a fair launch, and if you guys don't think about it, I don't know what to tell you because the pre-mine allocation, that was sold, and it became completely fair launch if you exclude this part. Super deflationary, fantastic emission schedule, fantastic dip. I loaded so hard. I bought most of my lithium bag right there. So we're going to talk about that. Why is the lithium pumping? I made a video about that. It's the Roan upgrade. The big network update is coming on June 12th, I think. So it's only 1 week away. Perhaps we're going to experience some sell the news event. I can't really say, but it's definitely going to build a lot of hype surrounding that. So very excited. But let's actually talk about memes right now because I know that you guys want to hear about it. See, what's up, live chat? What's up? Selfless in the house. Hit the likes or the buy alerts will be removed.
You are fake news.
No, it's not going to be removed, man, because we're printing money in my VIP group. We're going to talk more about the calls that have occurred this week. There's been crazy stuff. I've actually turned a bit more degen and I've started, doing even some day trades on memes. We made very good profits, and I don't even have to say anything about Trump mania because it's just been insane. It's just been insane. We're ready for a breakout. It's just, let's see, when we break out of this diagonal trend line, is this going to happen sometime soon? I can't really say. Perhaps very soon. There's actually very positive news. We're going to go through it in a second. Let's see. Somebody was telling me. Yes, so new exchange listing, CoinW. This is a tier 3 exchange. At best, I'm not excited about this. Probably people are not excited. But I can tell you, okay, I can easily tell you that there's going to be new actual exchanges that are coming your way, much bigger than this, okay? Tier 3 exchanges, okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's just a teaser. It's just an appetizer, but the main course, and if you're Italian like me, we have main, we have a second, we take it easy, okay? So it's just a warming up, all right? Was Cardi a rogue? So Cardi was a play that it was quite a dumb play. We made some money. I made, I think, an 8x. Most of my people did an 8x in my group, and then we got out. Guys, of course, I'm going to post some wins here and there. It doesn't mean that I'm going to tell you exactly when I sell. That's what my VIP group is for. If you want to see when I buy and when I sell, just get in there. Otherwise, I'm just going to give some glimpses here and there. Some are going to perform well. Some are going to perform bad. But it's safe to say, don't take it as financial advice. And obviously, if I post something that has launched in the last 24 hours, chances are that it either moons or it goes to zero. Some will rug and some will go to the moon. Cardi probably went away. I don't know. I haven't even followed my strategy with this play. I'm going to make a video tomorrow and I'm going to explain exactly what my strategy is, how I find gems. I'm going to give away a lot of information for free tomorrow, guys, on YouTube with no strings attached. So, yeah. So be on the lookout for my video. I'm going to make a very straightforward guideline on how I hunt for memes and what my overall exit strategy is for me. And I'm going to give it away exactly for free. So check out my YouTube tomorrow. It's going to be a big one. What did we miss about the project? It looked good on paper, trying to avoid a similar situation next trade. Ultimately, my mistake was not selling what I should have. Yes. Bruh. That is the strategy. You need to... The main thing is to not be greedy, okay? Take your profits. Take your profits. That is what I can tell you. Because once you get a very satisfiable multiplier, you get out your initial investment and you're running for free. So what I did is that I took out my initial investment at some point. I had my moon bag. Then my moon bag kept mooning. I DCA'd out. Small sales, 20 to 30%, few Solana each. And I got out of the position and I sold my peak of the position at a 8x. Clean AF, and then I got out. That is just as simple as that, okay? It's not that complicated. I'm going to give away my strategy tomorrow, so absolutely make sure to be on the lookout. It's going to be a good one. All right, so yeah, it's going to be good. All right. Hit the like if you love Juicy Alpha. Thank you so much, Cole. Appreciate you. Much love, much love. And hit the like button, honestly. I'm giving away so much information for free. Daily Alpha. Hardest working guy in crypto. Guys, how many freaking posts am I putting each day? It's pretty crazy. Oh my God. I need to Google myself to bring out my channel. Guys, look how many videos I've posted. Of course, my channel is growing like crazy. We're going to go to 20,000 subs in the summer. We're going to go there sooner than later. Look how many videos I'm posting. Bunch of alpha. Live streams, I mean, they're not going to be on a daily basis, but they're going to be very frequent. So, good shit. Jay-Z, yo brother, you've been killing it. My respect. Thank you so much, bro. That is much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have been absolutely on fire with the content and calls. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. LFG. And welcome again to the group, Victor. Appreciate you. Bonsoir, Paris. And of course, Viva Trump Mania. We're going to talk about Trump Mania very, very soon. We have a super chat. Sanjivan. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. What's your thought on PNG? PNG is a good project. It ran up like crazy. It's one of these projects that, one of the rarities, I think, in crypto. Because how many projects do you see that go through a bull market before and then they just go to zero? This project actually had a very big run, okay? If you've seen the last year, it started from zero. It had a small run and then a massive, massive run. So in my opinion, it's going to perform well. It's probably going to surpass the all-time high. If it goes to the all-time high from this level is around 8x. So nothing crazy. I would expect probably somewhere between a 15 to 20x. I don't want to say that I take it for granted, but given the big developments of the Avalanche ecosystem and given the fact that this is a decentralized exchange on Avalanche, I think it's going to do quite well. However, you can't expect to make 100x or a meme coin like gains out of something like this because, I mean, just look at it. It's 112 million in market cap. It's already quite big. So don't be deceived. If somebody tells you that this can 100x, it's probably not going to be the case. It's already listed on Coinbase. I think it's missing Binance, right? It's missing Binance. There's probably going to be new exchanges coming. I think the pump was caused by Coinbase exchange, right? I wasn't really following the situation, so I can't really tell you. It's probably going to do well. It wouldn't make it my list of honorable mentions and top altcoins, but it's still like worth maybe noting. Yeah, why not? Any good ones on BNB? Are you talking about meme coins? I don't do meme coins on BNB. I don't think it's good enough. You wanna... Why do I invest in Solana so much? First of all, it's very user-friendly. It's very easy. I love the Solana ecosystem. There's a lot of things that I like. It's very easy to transact, to set up a Phantom wallet connected to Jupiter. But, you know, like BNB, there's not much volume at all, so I wouldn't bother. Cipro the meme slayer. So that's what they call me right now. You see, I wasn't even in memes a few months ago. I started doing memes and I'm the meme slayer because I'm a G. 100 million, here we come. Will come soon because with the new exchange listings, they are not these ones. These are tier 3. These are warm-up. These are appetizers. But once the big exchange listings like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, Bybit, once they all come, I think we're just going to go to new highs. And these levels of DCA, they're not going to be around forever, okay? Just as soon as we go out of this trend line, maybe we keep ranging for a little bit. And once we have new news of exchanges, once new whales accumulate, we break down of the structure and we just shoot for the stars, okay? No financial advice. This is just how I feel about it. We're just following this trend line. We were having this sort of support zone right above the 2 cents, which is still 20 million market cap. By the way, just a reminder, even with these very lows, we're at 25x from my call, okay? 25x. At the peak, we're at 50x. Right now, we're heavily accumulating. I can tell you, I'm not going to tell you my strategy. I'm not going to tell you my exit strategy because, of course, that is part of my VIP group. So if you want that, enter my VIP group. But what I can tell you is that I'm heavily accumulating. I had DCA orders, I had limit orders, and also some people don't even know, but on Jupiter, you can set limit orders, okay? So just go on Jupiter, connect your Phantom wallet, get your Solana on your Phantom wallet. But if you go on limit order, you can essentially just put here, okay, you're selling Trump Mania, you put the price compared to, I think, Solana. Expiry, you can put never, you can put after 24 hours, whatever you want, and then you put the quantity. They have a platform fee of 0.1%, which, to be completely honest, it's quite honest. You know, it's like the maker fee of Maxi, for just to make a comparison. And then, just like a centralized exchange, if your order falls there, it's going to be fulfilled. Otherwise, it's not going to be fulfilled. And that's pretty much it. But I do recommend people to do so. I don't know why many people don't even know that you can do that, but it's not that complicated, guys. Super easy to use as well. $12 Tramania. I'm sorry, no. I'm very bullish on it, but no. Unfortunately not. Our meme trades have been so juicy. I don't understand why people are sleeping on the Discord. Guys, so many good calls. People, I'm minting millionaires. I'm not kidding. I'm minting millionaires already with the Trump Mania calls. So get in now. Prices are increasing soon, so don't come at me. Cipro, will you give me a discount? Can I do a trial? No, because I'm not going to undervalue my service. This is a premium. It comes with a premium. But safe to say that you're going to make this money. I've had people get 40 lifetime memberships worth of gains in one day with Trump Mania. So believe me, don't ask me, why is it so expensive? Because there's value, there's knowledge, there's action, and this is what generates you money. So again, get in now and avoid disappointment, because then it's going to get expensive and then you're going to be like, oh, it's expensive. I mean, don't say you haven't reward, right? 222. Baby Pepe. I'm not going to touch the Pepe derivatives. Like, most of them are going to rug. It's just too risky. It's just too risky. Guys, I have a new button, but I don't know when to use it.
You are fake news.
What is this one? I forgot.
Bruh.
Oh, yeah.
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question. But I watch you a lot. You ask a lot of stupid questions.
I think I'm going to use this very, very frequently. Let me know if the sound is not balanced, because I just put it on the soundboard. Might be a little fucked. Right exploded. Yeah, we got to talk about Rightstream because it's been exploding a little bit. And then it came back down. So there's not much that I have to say, other than the fact that a lot of people are getting excited. They're probably going to start marketing soon. I think they're filming. I don't really know much right now. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to connect with the team and get more information about it. But I think they're filming, and probably, you know, when the TV show is going to be released, the price is going to go parabolic. So it's quite safe to say that you want to get in sooner than later if you want to make good gains out of this project, and not after the TV show is released and after the projects are launched on the launch pads, etc., etc. But Rightstream, very bullish in the long term. Short term might be a little bearish. I don't know. Boomer is good. I don't hold it. I'm not trading any projects on base, but Boomer has potential. I actually like it. Could be an honorable mention for my main list, even if I don't have it, because I'm completely transparent. Oh, then people ask me about Lit. Listen, all gaming projects are down. I have nothing to say. If you are so butthurt that Lint has been on the downtrend, go and take a look at every gaming project whatsoever. Every gaming project has been on a downtrend. Some heavier than others, and I do see that. And this is why I tell you to diversify. Don't be overly invested, both emotionally and also financially. put very small quantities. Some of these peaks are going to go to zero, some of them are going to moon. It's your responsibility what you decide to do with your money, right? Just like it's my responsibility. I am down multiple 5 figures on lit. Am I here bitching about it? No, I'm losing money, okay? But I'm also making multiple 6 figures of profit in Trumpmania. I'm almost in the 7 figures out of my trade. So I have very little to complain. At the end of the day, I'm making money. You win some and you lose some, okay?
You are fake news.
Can you check Jambox? I checked, I didn't really like it. Still, I think it's not doxed, it's an AI project. I don't remember if they have buy and sell taxes, but it's too risky to enter AI projects right now, so I'm not gonna bother. Retarded politician? Trump mania?
You are fake news.
What are you talking about? We need to talk about Peng a little bit, absolutely. Peng has been pumping. Peng has been pumping. I haven't sold my Peng. I took out my initial quite a while ago after it started pumping. What are we, like 5x? Something like that. Well, I said it. And also people always expect project to just go up and up. But I always say, what I always like to say on my channel, crypto is not like this. Crypto is like this. So higher highs, higher lows. Exactly. You see, a low here, a high here, a low here. This low is higher than this low. We go all the way up. That is not that hard to understand. It's not that complicated. Peng is gonna kill it, especially with the new exchanges coming very, very soon. I remain very bullish. Nothing changes. Super active community on X. They participated to the meme coin in summit in Portugal. I was supposed to attend. Unfortunately, I could not because I have a lot of stuff going on right now. But yeah, I had some friends that went. So good stuff. Wish I was there. Very bullish. And they spend marketing budget, guys. They're spending marketing budget. They have money. They're serious about this. This is not a rug. This is not going to rug. Absolutely not. It's probably going to do very, very well. Hold yourself a bag, but no financial advice. Do whatever you want, of course. I'm just telling you what I do, and I hold the bag. When new exchanges come, imagine crypto.com, imagine even Bybit, something like that. It's already on those exchanges. No. Is it on crypto? No, it's not on crypto.com. Is it on Bybit Perpetual? I don't even remember. I know that it's on Bluffin. So if you want to do perpetuals with Peng, I'm sure that you can use Bluffin. A lot of you guys, by the way, asked me for the exchanges that I recommend. Bybit is still my top exchange. Right now, it's probably 99% of my trades are on Bybit. There's still the $30,000 deposit campaign, so I would encourage you to sign up with my link. It's down in the description. Yeah, it's probably the best exchange. But Bluffin, for all the people that are in the US or in the UK that they can use Bybit, I would absolutely get in there because it's non-KYC, no VPN, and then you can start trading. Very good exchange. I actually really like it. It's based in Dubai. I do like it. And founder is doxed. Good stuff. Lit is actually pumping. I don't know. Maybe it's going to start pumping. Who knows? Just buy Brett. 40 to 80x. We have Brett move.
You are fake news.
Tectum has been pumping. Tectum corrected way more than I thought. It's going back up. I hope you guys got a bag at $12 because that's probably as cheap as we would have gotten. I think the trend reversal is coming. Hopefully. I think so. The downtrend lasted already 2 months and a half. That's definitely enough, guys. Utility bull run back on. Perhaps, Rose. Perhaps. Aletheum, we remain very bullish on Aletheum. Kaspa, Aletheum AI Tech, great picks today. Absolutely. And in fact, they are my top 3 altcoins for the bull run, and they remain there. Absolutely. Hit the like button for my guy. Thank you, Jamie. Good to have you in here, my friend, as always. And hit the like button. There's 154 people watching. Only 51 likes. That is way too long. I'm gonna quit the live stream. What's wrong with people? Yeah, we have a Brett Maxi. How can this guy say that Brett can do a 40 to 80x? And I like Brett. It's a good project. Tramania doesn't have marketing? What are you talking about?
You are fake news.
What? Larissa node? Is that crypto or a node thing? The exit target of T-Mania is in my group, my brother. I'm not going to reveal all of my cards in a public live stream, as you guys are already aware. So this is also why it's a no-brainer to come in there.
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question. But I watch you a lot. You ask a lot of stupid questions.
You have been absolutely on fire with the content calls. Selfless, thank you so much, Mr. World. And I'm helping all of you guys, and we're printing money in the Discord. It's crazy. It's crazy. I actually found, ultimated my meme coin hunting strategy, and yeah, there's gonna be many more videos to come. It's like I found a cheat code because I made 2 3x calls plus yesterday. I made 2 today as well. Holy shit. My top altcoins are pumping. Yeah, that's a good day. Memes are pumping. Utility plays are pumping. It's a good day to be in crypto and in my community, for sure. 200 million Trumpmania at the end of the month. I think that we're going to be in a 100 million to 200 million range. 200 million, maybe it's a bit of a stretch. It's a bit on the most optimistic side. The only way that I would see that happen is that if there would be any sort of catalyst event for Trump himself, either in the presidential campaign or, conviction and trial, etc. Or we had already tier 1 exchange listing like Kraken or whatever. That could also be explained. Milady is a pump and dump. I have never touched Milady, but I know that it's done very well. I don't think it's a pump and dump. No, it's definitely not a pump and dump. It's not the prettiest of charts because it seems like we always have big corrections after the pumps, but I don't see this as a pump and dump, no. But I'm also not gonna invest, probably not gonna invest in this. It already got very good exchanges though. It's actually on crypto.com. It's very interesting. If it's on crypto.com, my reasoning is that, if it has the potential to list on a tier 1 exchange, then there's probably no reason to not believe that it's not gonna get listed on something like Binance or Coinbase, It could probably do very well. What would be the signs that memes are getting burned out? Probably a lot of the liquidity moving out of those and just going to gaming or AI. It's phases, I think that the meme phase is going to last longer than usual, but I still believe that it's going to end at some point. But listen, given the presidential elections in the US, it's probably going to last a very long while. So that's my thoughts on it. But of course, don't go all in memes. I have a top 5, so Chirpley is not there. Chirpley is an honorable mention. It could be right after the list. But listen to me. If I have a top 5, it just can't be there because I have my top 5 projects are here now. Okay. BNB hit a new all-time high today. That is actually a big news because if you guys weren't around in the previous bull run, I remember that when we hit the previous all-time high in the previous, was it around here or here? Whatever that was. But I remember that the altcoin season in the last bull run started pretty much when we had that. So yeah, it could actually be a good sign. I don't really care about the movement of BNB itself. But I do care what it entails for the overall ecosystem, Why would I look at Floki? Floki is an old meme. When to sell politic coins? Probably around elections, but again, do your own research. I think Ben has been pumping quite a lot. Wow, 2x from yesterday is crazy. Wow, congrats if you got it. Looking good. It's listed on centralized exchanges already. Probably will do well. I gotta say, this is not what I was expecting out of this. Quite dumb. But yeah, I would definitely take some profit if I was in Ben the Dog right now. Don't be greedy, okay? That's the main thing that I preach when trading memes, whether they are absolute degen plays that might rug tomorrow or tonight. I'm always going to preach this. Don't be greedy. Take your profits. As if the trade is super high risk, take your initial at 2x. Or if you think it's less risky, maybe at 3x. But always take your initial out, because then you're not going to lose any money, okay? You're going to have a moon bag and you can't lose money, like quite literally. Eating my pizza, as I said, forgot the spaghetti part. I'm in Spain, not Italy. What's this thing? Like, if we have pizza, we don't have spaghetti.
You are fake news.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Fury. Engines of Fury. I took a look already. I didn't really like it. Move right. Yeah, if I had a top 7, it'd probably be there. It's just because I created a top 5. It's not that projects got demoted. I just made a top 5. That's it. So there's only 5 spots. So the projects that were at 6 and 7, they're not there. And also, right now, it's also on order, okay? So this is number 1, number 2, number 3. Before it was without any particular order. Right now, it's top 5 altcoins, and the same for top 5 meme coins. These are my top 5 meme coins conviction. However, conviction, sorry. I'm stupid. However, they might change tomorrow. When it comes to the meme coins, everything changes so freaking fast. So it could change tomorrow. I think that Trumpmania and Tucker are going to be my 2 biggest plays when it comes to memes. But when it comes to the other 3 spots, it could change tomorrow. And by the way, I don't even hold Turbo. So a lot of you guys ask me, oh, this is your allocation. No, I'm not like other influencers that just want to chill their bags. I keep things very honest and clear. I think Turbo is freaking great. I'm actually quite pissed that I didn't miss it. But I'm not pissed because I'm going to make 1000x out of Trumpmania. I don't give a fuck. But regardless. Still bullish or surge. I don't really like the price action, but it's also the phase of the market. My God, this question, bro. Like, just rewind the stream. Just rewind the stream.
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question.
Baby Trump. I already have the best Trump in the blockchain, so I'm not going to buy other Trump coins. Sorry, not sorry. Yuki on Solana. Is this a meme coin? It's probably a meme coin. Wait, let me just open another page of text reader. Yuki. Samurai Cat. 500,000. Chart looks okay. It's big wick. So be on the lookout tomorrow, guys, because I'm gonna explain exactly my strategy in the video that I'm gonna post tomorrow. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. That's funny.
Million, stop playing with me, nigga. That's one day. You nigga broke as fuck. You niggas broke as fuck. Stop playing with me, nigga. 5 million in one day, nigga. You niggas hoes, nigga.
Okay. Okay, the X is funny. It's quite active. Oh, it's quite
Bruh. Bruh.
Okay, it's quite funny, I'm not gonna lie. Why did they have to make the supply like that? Can't you just put 1 billion, for God's sake? Is this a Snapchat filter? Could have potential. Could have potential, not gonna lie. Chart's been ranging. There's been a support in the last day. Yeah, you see, the problem, the volume is not that high, around 10%. When I invest into a meme, I'm looking for bigger volumes, at least 30%. This is 10%. Volume to market cap ratio, that is. So it's a bit too small for my side. Could have potential, though. But it needs to pick up volume. It's too little. Benji on base. It's okay. I wouldn't buy it. Baba still worth it? I think that Baba went crazy from my buy alert. I sold way early, unfortunately. I made a 4x. I sold at a 4x. Holy fuck. I would have made a 10x. Fucking hell, man. I bought Baba here. Here was my buy alert. I bought here. And I sold here. Made around a 4x. Very healthy chart. I don't know if the run can continue forever, you know, and do this kind of, you know, it can continue forever like this. So probably, you know, there's a diagonal trend here. So if it breaks down support here, it just falls perhaps here or here. There is, you know, always draw a diagonal line when you see the big runs like here, okay? Top tip. Wait, let me delete the rest of the mess. Okay, when you see this, and people say that TA doesn't work on meme coins. Fucking hell, it works actually so freaking well. Anyway, you draw a line here, you can see that it could break down the structure. If it breaks down this line, then it goes, you know, probably here, and the next step would be here. If it goes here, maybe it comes back. If the wick gets here, and then it goes back up. But if it goes here, it can literally fall into the unknown and fall into zero. So I know that people shouldn't sleep at night if they're holding this project, to be completely honest, because they can change in a matter of a minute. This candle looks bearish for me, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? And also, of course, use a time range that is closer to have like more accurate indication. Of course, I'm looking on the 4-hour chart and I can't be bothered to look any further. Anyway, I should have held it. At least I'm another moon back. But anyway, I made a 4x. I can't complain, right? Donira with another super chat. Thank you so much. Share the Shaka? Fuck, what name is that? Share. Shaka? I don't know. What is it, bro? Tell me good indication. I'm going to get back to that. Foxy on Linea? Are there people doing meme coins on Linea?
Bruh.
It's... Oh my god, bro.
Bruh.
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question. But I watch you a lot. You ask a lot of stupid questions.
This is really a stupid question. With no disrespect to you. You know where I bought? I bought here. Here. Here was my buy alert. Okay? I bought a 900k market cap. 0009. It did a 50x. If a project does a 50x, it needs to come back down. It needs to have a retracement. It needs to have a retracement. Okay? Because otherwise, we would just be dealing with stupid shit. But we're actually dealing with projects that need to have a correction. It needs to have a correction before it goes up. So once we broke this structure, we go to the stars. But people don't get it because people are emotional, people miss the boat. What's wrong with you? Are you new to crypto? It's not a big dump. It's a correction. It went down 50% from the top. This is completely healthy and needed. Charts need to retrace before they go up. Crypto is not like this. Crypto is like this. On a project that is less than a week old. What do you think? That you're going to do 1,000x in a week? It's going to take a few months. You're going to get there if you're resilient enough, if you're strong enough emotionally. You lost 3K on Cardi. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but you need to be more greedy when taking profits, and you must not buy the tops. I hope you learn, bro. Oh no, I already read this. I don't do trading on Miria. Who cares about Miria? Again, with another stupid question. Bro, I adapt. I go where the money is. There's money in memes, I move to memes. There's money in gaming, I move to gaming. And by the way, my gaming picks are packed. So I'm already ready to make money. I mean, are you here to lose money or to make money in crypto, bro? Best name. It's too generic, bro. If you make a Trump meme, you're not going to call it Trump. That is so generic. I'm going to take a look, but it's probably shit. And I already have the best. Wait, no, it's not this one. You can't even find it. Which one? Bro, there's too many, bro. I can't even check it. It's probably MAGA that you mean, but I'm not sure. Brett can do 100x to 100x leverage. You're having problems on Radium because you shouldn't buy Radium. Huh? You should use Jupiter because Radium is atrociously bad. Use Jupiter. It's cheaper, it's faster, and transactions go through. With Radium, the transactions are always on hold. They never work. It's terrible. Why are people still using Radium? It's the worst decentralized exchange that I've ever seen in my life. Kara? No, I've never. I've heard about the project, but no. I never even researched it that much. I'm gonna keep it real. Punk is good. Punk is doing something different because they're very viral on Instagram. They're doing very well. So maybe they appeal a lot to the crypto dorks, the crypto teenager kids. So it's probably going to do very well because of that. It just pumped too much. I wouldn't buy it. 175 million. I mean, it's probably going to do very well, but I'm bearish short term. I think it's going to correct more. I might be wrong, though. I might be wrong. Yoto went up 10x? Really? I mean, it makes sense, though, because of the Kaspa. Imagine if they were to migrate to the Kaspa network, or they're probably feeding on the Kaspa pump. So, I mean, good. AWT goes either to 0 or to the stars. There's not going to be any in between. So don't put more money that you can afford to lose. Manage your risk accordingly. Groiper, friend of Pepe. Pepe has 3 friends. So I don't know who Groiper is.
You are fake news.
Turbo will mend faces. Yeah, I think that Turbo. I'm bullish on Turbo long term. Short term, I might be a little bearish, but it really depends on the exchange listing situation. If they get new exchange listings sooner than later, Turbo just explodes. Okay. I made a video today, so check out the video that I made on Turbo because I've talked about my outlook for the short term of Turbo. It might fall back into this area if we don't have a big exchange listing. It all depends on that. The project is great. Project is great. Both on Turbo and T-Mania, good stuff, good picks. Popcat, I'm not sure. 500 million? Wait, this is actually not far from all-time high. I mean, probably it's 20% away, bro. It's not that much. Can you show your trade? I'm not going to show you my wallet. I'm happy to post the result in the end, but I'm not going to show you my wallet and exactly every holding that I hold. Also, I don't think it's funny to flex on people. I mean, I'm guilty of that sometimes, but What do you get in seeing a freaking 7-figure phantom portfolio? Like, you get jealous of me and you like, April, teach me how to do that. I mean, also one of the rules of being a crypto influencer is to not talk too much about money online. You probably can understand why. Salt and vinegar is great. It's just not a trendy narrative right now. I'm bullish on it. Perhaps not in the short term. I think it's going to rip it at some point. Very small in market cap. It takes a second to actually pump that project. But you also need to understand that right now it's probably not the moment. Like, one of the main things of this is hype and trends. Salt and vinegar is not on hype right now. The project is good. The dev is doxed. The dev wouldn't have doxed himself for a reason. So it's going to do well, but just give it a minute. Yeah, I don't have any cat memes, to be honest. I should probably look further. Coruña. Never been. T-Mania is pumping. This is starting an uptrend. It's probably, you know, yeah, it is. If it breaks down this line, is game over. For the cheaters, sell your bags and I'm gonna laugh at you when we get to 100 billion sooner or later. And then 1 billion. I'm bullish on AOC. The fact with AOC is that it doesn't have a lot of volume. Funny enough. Should have a little more volume. It's bullish. It's bullish. I was actually seeing this trend. It seemed like we had broke out of that trend line, but it was a couple of fake outs. So these were fake outs. Let's see how much longer we will be ranging. But when this pumps, it's gonna be quite legendary. Okay, it's probably gonna be something like this. It's very small in market cap. It doesn't take much. Maneki was featured in Forbes. What's the source? Could you tell us a little about AOC? A second person that asked me about AOC. It's good. It hasn't pumped yet. I think it's gonna do quite well. Look at the Twitter. It's great. I love the content. This is the best. Let's watch it.
Boo! Mm-mm.
I don't know if I can show this shit on YouTube.
You are fake news.
That was fucking hilarious, bro. I can't I can't make I can't make this up, man. This is the best content on X. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my fucking god, man. I'm crying. Top Trump with G. Tom.
Bruh.
Yeah. Porsche Cayenne GTS, good choice. It's definitely gonna come with Trump Mania, that's for sure. I'm still thinking. Oh, that was fucking hilarious, man. Oh, I missed the. I'm absolutely gonna cry because I missed the bus on YOLO. Oh my god, man. Fucking hell. The Schillers, man. I would say that If you knew what I knew. No, I'm not going to say that. I don't want to sound like a prick. But I'm just going to tell you that think about the market cap that a project like this can achieve. It can be huge. It can be huge. Is it far-fetched to say that this is going to go to 1 billion market cap? No, it's not. Is it far-fetched to say that it's going to be 100 million as soon as it gets to good tier 2 exchanges and lists? No. People are going to FOMO. They're going to nail the marketing. Yeah. Yeah, obviously, Yoto moved only because Kaspa moved. That's the only reason why it moved. Not because it has some cursor utility, but it's because it's hyped. Okay? It's good marketing. Not necessarily for the project itself, but it's a trend. Sorry, I've used the wrong word. $1 donation. Thank you so much again. Thank you. The largest holding in Donald Trump's wallet is Trog. Trog? Is it this one?
Bruh. Bruh.
Oh, man. It's such a cheap website. Listen, I doubt that Donald Trump bought this, but I can tell you that there's a lot of people. What happens is that the devs, the team, send tokens to Donald Trump's wallet because Donald Trump's wallet is public, okay? It's on the blockchain. Everybody can access that. I think that only his Ethereum wallet is disclosed, so I think it's on Ethereum. Yeah, of course, this is on Ethereum. So if people have their Ethereum wallets, by the way, I found it as well myself, okay? So I can send Trump Mania to Donald Trump right now, and he would receive it. That's the good thing about crypto, right? Everything's public. The blockchain is public. His Ethereum address is public. So I can send him some Trumpmania right now. Actually, no, sorry. I can't send him Trumpmania because Trumpmania is on Solana, okay? Sorry about that. But if I have any sort of Ethereum token right now, I can send it to Donald Trump. So what the devs have done is they sent Trog to Donald Trump. I think that Mr. Donald Trump is a very busy man. He wouldn't bother buying a stupid meme coin, okay? So is this what I can say? Well, it seems like you FOMO at the top if you bought when it's down. If you had been in my group, why, listen, if you had been in my group, you would have been a 50x instead of saying, you would have bought, you know where you would have bought? You would have bought here. You would have bought here instead of buying here or wherever you want. So this is why I encourage you to join. Regardless, you are at a loss, you DCA. So for instance, let's say that you bought here and then the crypto is here. If you buy here again, your entry is here. So you bring down your average cost per entry. This is what is called DCA. You bring down your average entry, so that in the end, once it gets to 1 million in market cap, when it's gonna come here, okay? When it comes here, you're gonna be in bigger profit because you brought down your average cost per entry. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So I hope that you learned something. I hope you learned something. Super Trump coin listing. I already have the best Trump project. Thank you for the donation. I appreciate it, but I'm not interested. Super Trump already pumped. You need to find the projects before they're listed to the big listings. You need to find the projects, before the big pumps. There's no point buying Super Trump. What's the market cap of Super Trump now? Yes, it's probably going to keep pumping, but it's diminishing returns. Well, actually, I correct myself. I thought it was much smaller in market. I thought it was much bigger in market cap. So I digress. Sorry. I actually say something stupid.
You are fake news.
That is for me. Regardless, I already have the best project. Chart looks healthy. Listen, you know what? It's going to do well. But I know the plan that I'm in touch with the team. I know what they're doing. I know that Charmaine is going to be a winner. That is what I can tell you. They're going to come to big exchanges. I don't know if this is going to come to big exchanges. I don't know. The market of Charmaine is better. I'm going to buy the Trump frog.
Bruh.
Foxy has bad tokenomics, but it's still going to do well regardless. Because they have good marketing. Pepe on Sol. Listen, the original Pepe is on Ethereum. So all those projects are copycat. Okay? So what would you expect out of a copycat? Probably not much. By the way, guys, follow me on X as well because I'm bringing a bunch of alpha and calls right there. So consider dropping me a follow there. Appreciate it. If you haven't liked the live stream yet, please do so. It really helps my channel for the algorithm, you know, to bring my channel out there. And subscribe if you haven't already. Why the fuck are you watching this live stream?
Huh?
If you're not subscribed, you're a fan. So subscribe.
Bruh.
In the VIP group, for all the people that asked me for the exit strategy of Tramania, it's in my VIP group. We're talking about it. You're going to get all my sell signals, variety of other stuff. You guys already know the drill. I don't need to shill it too much. You guys already know. Okay, let's go to some more questions. Mew, I already checked it. You got the stupid button. Stupid. Cardi pumping. Let me check the chart of Cardi. Is Cardi a rug? It's not looking good now, is it? Yeah, I'm glad that I got out. That's what I can tell you. Young Peasy on base. Those are not good plays, man. Good question from Tobias. If you would have picked, if you would have to pick, oh my god, the English. Okay, if I pick two memes until the end of the year, the top two, easily. Tramaine and Tucker. This is in order, okay? My top altcoins and meme coins used to be in no particular order. Right now, they are in order, okay? Tramania and Tucker are the two at the top spot. They don't even come close. Nothing else comes close to them right now. Javon says game over. For what? Bald is Brett's dog? Really? Is it this one? Doesn't look like a dog to me. Oh, kinda. Okay, there's a story. This is nice. Interesting. Could do well. I'm not super fond of this chart. There's more buyers than sellers. Way more. Volume is on the lower end. Volume is definitely on the lower end. Could do well. It's a bit degen. Could do well though. Exactly, Robert. Yoto moved when Kaspa moved. This will happen all throughout the bull run. Yeah, probably. Trog is probably a shit project. Like, they just sent it there, bro. Like, nobody cares. Oh, fellow Italian friend. Borpa? What the hell is this? I mean, just launch, bro. I'm not gonna pump your bags. That's so sketchy to connect a wallet, just a website like that. I mean, this is obviously can be real. This engagement can't have this big of an engagement. I don't know. I have to research. Could actually be decent. Trog is a meme coin that was sent to Trump's wallet. So he didn't buy. It was just sent there. Just rewind the stream. Just look at Tucker on a TA perspective. First of all, some of the best content online. Just look. It had already like 2 triangle situation. Big support zone. Once it jumps off of this support zone, takes over. TA and content and hype. I've heard so many people talk about this Duco, but it doesn't have good tokenomics. I don't know. Maybe not. I actually found my Trump Mania before Kyle revealed it, so he was late. You can ask him if he got it from me, if anything. But I do like the guy. He's great. Good influencer. Yeah, I'm also waiting for the real Casper memes. Natural, definitely.
What a stupid question that is.
Okay, so buy and sell taxes means that it doesn't have anything to say with the taxes that you pay in your country. Buy and sell taxes means that when you interact with the smart contract, when you buy the token, you pay a tax as part of the slippage. Okay, so if you buy a token that has a 2% buy tax and you put $100, you're gonna pay 2% tax. So you're gonna get 98 out of the token, even if you bought 100. I hope it makes sense. And the sell tax is the same. It's a tax on the crypto transaction. It's not a tax on your taxes. A fee. Yeah, it's a fee. Yeah, a good take. It's a fee. Senk is good, but it has basically no trading volume, so I'm not interested. Tucker videos are the best, honestly. Yes, I'm definitely going to do some futures shorts when I think that the bull run is over. Absolutely. Absolutely. That is definitely in my plan because that is such easy money. It's really easy money. Why do I have so many shares of Duco? I'm probably raiding my channel. The new coins, my friend, they're going to be in my VIP group. So if you're looking to get the new coins before I shield them or post them, my gains and my wins on X or on my YouTube, then the place to be is my VIP group. I'm going to conclude the live stream right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Somebody actually asked me where I'm in Italy. I'm from Milan, north of Italy. And yeah, this is all the bad. You guys already know the drill. The prices are increasing soon, guys. So don't ask me to reduce them or give you a discount. Getting now to avoid disappointment. Now. Time is now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I wish you a great rest of the day. Hope to speak to you soon. Take care.